What is going on, guys? In today's vlog, we're going to be installing a VALVETRONIC exhaust. Wait, I'm sorry, what's it called? I will, I'm going to edit it. VALVETRONIC full exhaust, okay. VALVETRONIC full exhaust. Okay. What is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing a VALVETRONIC full exhaust on this 2021 G82 M4. Yeah, no, this is not my car. Don't think this is, I don't buy piece of shits. But, so basically what we're doing is installing this exhaust on my friend Jacob here's car. So in today's video, I'm just, we're not gonna do a DIY or anything. We're just gonna make it just like the Olin's video. We're just gonna do a bunch of cinematics of the actual exhaust being put on this car. I'm pretty sure this might, what is this, like the first car to get this exhaust, Jacob, or no?
No, one of the first batches of VALVETRONIC for this car, but it's not the first. G82 has, a couple guys have it already, but.
So it's not the first, but it's one of the first. So that's gonna be really cool because we get to see how it fits and stuff. We'll talk about that after the video, and we'll also get some sound clips of the car driving by, and then also I'll get some from inside the car when Jacob's driving it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, but yeah, later. All right, guys, so we got the exhaust actually installed now. I'm just gonna get you guys some clips of how it sounds from the inside and then the outside, and then hopefully you guys can hear it. Let's go. Holy shit. Sheesh, it sounds fucking loud. It sounds a lot louder from the outside though.
It does.
Oh, it's so much louder, dude. Oh, of course. hop out and fucking... Ugh, thank you, sir. Yeah, I just need to get a clip for the vlog. God damn, that smells bad. All right, here he comes. This thing sounds insane in person. Hope the video is doing it justice. Crazy. All right, now the owner of the car is going to take a couple hits on it.
I don't know what mode you're gonna put it in. I think it's...
Do it like Max has been doing. Drive it like it's someone else's.
You do a full on?
I like the way Max took off better.
Well, he pussyfooted it.
Yeah, he pussyfooted.
He's like,
I
oh.
went.
Nah, that sounds sick. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's definitely the owner of the car with that fucking U-turn.
We'll be real gangsters if he goes around this tractor trailer.
Murdered mine again.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, nice. That helps. Fucking streetlights came on.
It sounds good.
It's approved.
Alright, is it? Alright, I have to go home. The streetlights turned on. Sorry. Wow. Sheesh. Alright, let's film him getting out of the car now.
I could definitely. Oh no, it's feeling up my
Oh, his back is better now. Now that the job is done, his back is suddenly back.
I'm warming up.
That's crazy.
Warmed up now.
That is crazy. All right, well, I don't know if you guys are able to hear it through the microphone. Hopefully it picks it up pretty well. The car is actually a lot louder. We had a little hiccup with the valves. We were trying to figure out whether or not if it's supposed to fully open and just fully close in sport mode and not. But it turns out that it actually, I don't know what word, for lack of a better word, I'm just gonna say modulates per how much throttle you give it. So if you give it full throttle, I guess the valve opens all the way. But at idle, it really won't do it. So I don't know. I guess that's kind of cool because it's like dailyable in a way. So that's awesome, I guess. Anyway, guys, let me know down below what you guys think of how it sounds. What you guys think, if you think it should be even louder, if Jacob should get downpipes or not. God knows if he'll ever freaking do that. I think he's too much of a dad for that. Would you go catalyst downpipes?
For sure, 100%.
He's lying, no he won't. But it is for a car, as Evan also mentioned, that does still have cats. It's pretty loud for a car that still has cats, which is cool. But let me know what you guys thought of how it sounds down below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will probably do a review video of Jacob's M4 and a lot more in depth of what we did today, because I know you guys are dying to probably see it, because these cars, as I was joking in the beginning of the video when I said it's a piece of shit. It's not. It's a very pretty car, and I know a lot of you still have not got the grill to grow on you. I promise you, not only does the car look better in person, but with it lowered, it actually looks really nice. And seeing it rolling, seeing Max driving it and Jacob driving it, it does look really sick. So yeah, I think BMW didn't really miss a beat on it. It's just everybody needs to get used to it. I think the same thing happened when the F80 came out. I think everybody hated the design too. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.